Good morning. This is Holiday Nanny Adventures, and today we are in the beautiful Roman spa city of Bath. Let me take you for a walk. It's got a beautiful river going through it, but we're not going down that way today. We're going to just up through the city. Look at this beautiful restaurant here, look, Comptoir, which is looks like a Lebanese restaurant. Bath is such a beautiful place, and it's a lovely morning. One day I'm going to invest in a GoPro or a handle for my phone, because at the moment I'm just holding it in my hand, which is probably not ideal, probably not steady. Nice to see they got a defibrillator here as well. Now this is a lovely place over here for coffee. This is Makoko. They've also got one on Bristol Harbour, but they do really lovely, yummy cakes. Very nice flavoured coffee. But this morning, fortunately, it is in the shade. But look at all these beautiful buildings. Just beautiful. So this is a sort of new modern shopping centre. It used to have a Debenhams down here. Obviously that's all gone now. And in a minute, when we've done down here, we will end up in the Roman part of the town, up by the spa. And there's a really nice spa. You can pay, I think it's sort of £40 or £50 going for the day. Natural hot springs. Lots of different thermal rooms. It's very, very nice. It's about 10:30 in the morning. It's quite busy already. There's lots of lovely restaurants in Bath. There's also rooftop bars, if you like that sort of thing, which I do.
We have got Ben Cherries, come on in some grapes here today. Here are bigger balls, come on, it's all going down.
Marks and Spencer's.
Like that, and dance card.
Like all cities, unfortunately, there are homeless people. There's quite a nice charity in this area called Blonde Angels, and they raise money and provide shoes and things for people living on the street. So if you want to help, you can look them up. They're called the Blonde Angels. It's a nice sweet shop. Look at that. Wow. Look at this. Incredible. Wow. Oh, yum yum. That was rather nice, wasn't it? This is a very romantic place if you wanted to bring your loved one for a romantic night. Beautiful architecture. Like I say, there is a river as well. You get boat trips up to some really gorgeous riverside bars. I've got to be careful now because the streets are cobbled, so I don't want to fall.
Oh, you have been so kind to me. Oh, the overwhelming, never-ending recognition.
This isn't just for Saturday. If you come any day, you will have these little stalls and you'll have singers. Now this is going into now Bath Abbey and the pump room. And the pump room is a place where you can go and have high tea. Very, very nice. I'll show you through the door if I can how nice it is. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that is in there. Just beautiful. They quite often have violinists and stuff like that. Now, this grill restaurant here in the square is a gorgeous place to sit and have a glass of wine or a coffee on a beautiful day like this.
I'd always wait back, but now honestly I've just had to learn.
There's the Roman baths in there. So if you go into the Roman baths, they are true Roman baths. But then if you want to go to actually go into the Roman baths, there's another more modern set further up in the city. Right, I think I'm going to stop now because I've got some coffee. So I think I'm going to sit here and have a nice cup of coffee.